Welcome back. Today, we're excited to show you how to turn your hard-earned loyalty points into vouchers so you can save even more on your future orders. But first, here's a quick overview of our loyalty program. After joining our loyalty program, you receive 2% back on every purchase you make. You can accumulate these points for up to 90 days. When you're ready, you can convert these points into a cashback voucher that you can use on future orders. Remember, once converted into a voucher, it's important to use it within a week, as it will expire. Let's go through the process of converting your points into vouchers together. First, log into your account. Next, head over to your account. Here, you can easily navigate through your account settings and options. Now, scroll down to the My Rewards tab and click on it. In the My Rewards section, you'll find all the details about your earned points. To convert your points into a voucher, click on the Convert into Voucher tab. Here, you can view how many points you have and select the amount you wish to convert into a voucher. Once you've made your selection, confirm it, and voila! You've successfully converted your points into a voucher. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy the benefits of your new voucher on your next purchase. Just remember, use your voucher within a week to take full advantage of your savings. Thanks for watching. Be sure to keep earning those points to continue saving. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out through our support email or phone. Happy shopping and see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Take care.